Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhi and I'm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to discuss what are the top 5 programming languages that you as a beginner you have to learn in this 2021 year. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the topic. So watch the video till the end because the top 1 programming language is going to come in the end of this video. Now the top 5th programming language on the list is the JavaScript. As nowadays all are at home and all are using the internet and using the web browsers, so the first main thing that they are going to use is the websites that they are going to browse. Like for reading the news or reading some articles or searching any query on the Google, the main thing that they are going to search is a particular website. So for developing those websites there are HTML, CSS languages that are very simple, as you all know, but there is another language that is called as the JavaScript that is used for developing the websites. The JavaScript makes the website more interactive, and this makes the website feels more attractive and user friendly for the users. So for making the interactive web pages, JavaScript is a must programming language. So but after you have learned the JavaScript programming language perfectly, don't just stop by there. After that, try learning the TypeScript language that is also a part of the JavaScript, so that the web programming technology is in your hands. Now the top 4th programming language on the list is the PHP. The full form of PHP is Hypertext Preprocessing Language. This language is basically used at the back end of the servers. Like after you have developed a very interactive web page, you have to just connect it to the server. So to connecting this web page to the server, a different programming language knowledge is required, and the programming language that is most suitable for that is the PHP. PHP is a very simple and lightweight programming language. Like it can be run on any server, or a simple PC in your home can also run this PHP code. So this language is mostly preferred by the business professionals as it is very lightweight and can be run on any machine. And also PHP language is also very easy to learn. So if you are looking to learn a backend language as a beginner, the first option in your mind should be PHP. Now the top 3rd programming language on the list is Java. Yeah, from the past so many years we are looking that Java as the top 5 programming languages every year. It is true this year also, because Java is the programming language that is deep rootedly seen in almost every of the companies. Like if you see on the MNC side or in the startup side, Java is the main programming language that is basically required to get into the companies. So Java is a mandatory language if you are looking to get a job in some of the MNCs or any startup companies. There are also some different frameworks that are available in Java, like the Spring and Spring Boot. So these frameworks are in high demand nowadays, and if you have mastered in this, then it is a very easy way to get into these companies. Now the top 2nd programming language on the list is the C++. C++ is itself a total programming language. Like it has all the concepts that are required to get into the programming world. But my suggestion is don't learn the old versions of the C++ language. Old versions of the C++ language are outdated. Now if you are a beginner and if you want to learn a new programming language, then C++ is the best one, and it is totally a full-fledged language on its own. So my suggestion is don't learn the outdated stuff, that are old stuff. Just download the new C++ version, latest C++ version, because it is having the more features than the old version. Now the last programming language that you all been waiting for is the top 1 programming language that a beginner should learn in 2021 is the Python language. Yeah, Python is nowadays the latest language and the trending language in the IT industry, because by using the Python you can learn the more advanced languages in the IT industry, like the machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, etc. So Python will be the base language to learn those advanced topics. So Python, when compared to Java or the C++ language, will be an easy language when compared with the syntax side. So if you are a beginner and learning Python language, my recommendation of the framework that you have to also learn with the Python is the Django. This framework will be useful for you to get into the more detailed knowledge about the language. And that's all from this video. I hope you have understood what are the different languages that you have to learn in the 2021 as a beginner. And if you like this video, drop us a like down below, and if you want more videos like this, comment in the comment box below about what should I make my future videos on, and also show your support by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will not miss my future videos on this YouTube channel. And that's it from me today guys. See you next time. Cheers.